Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I was going through ama-stats wama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs. I was surprised bafethu ukubona ama-stats ka-Ethan Cheslett. UCheslett for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu is the most creative player laphana even as a midfielder. Even ushaya namanye ama-striker in terms of ama-goals for the past 5 years. Because for the past 5 years, Ethan Cheslett bafethu ushaya amagoli. La sikhuluma ngamagoli nge-striker, manje ushaya amagoli ngathi uyi-striker lo muntu lo. In 5 mangibala wonke lama-stats wakhe close to 40 goals or 40 goals engiyibalayo la u-Ethan Cheslett or 39 goals or so akwazile ukuyi-contribute to lama-team lawa bewadlalela laphana eNgilandi. For 5 years umuntu 40 goals as i-creative midfielder, that's unheard of ebholeni lase-South Africa. There's no way ube u-number 10 ku-local football ube namagoli angaka bafowethu, there is no way. And on top of that unama-assist futhi amaningi close to 20 bafowethu. So in terms of like i-contribution yakhe, he's a solid guy. He's a guy that you can trust in terms of amagoli. He's a guy that you can trust in terms of ama-assist, but asazi ukuthi between yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs ne-technical team ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana. This season Ethan Cheslett udlale akadlalanga, but he made the match day squad kawu-2 kuphela. Continental level I think naku-Carling knockout ngeke ngambona laphana ebhentshini, but ukuthola i-opportunity yokudlala akayitholi i-opportunity yokudlala. Abo-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs basa-prefer abanye abadlali kuno-Ethan Cheslett, but it's okay. Bayasho nabo bathi bazobona ama-game la u-Ethan Cheslett afithi khona or ama-game a-right for yena u-Ethan Cheslett ukuthi awadlale lawo ma-game lawo. But yeah, uyi-player mabafuna amagoli bafowethu, they have to look at yena basho ukuthi oh, this one uyawashaya amagoli. Akadlali, uyawashaya ngempela amagoli. Amagoli amangaka for umuntu bafowethu odlala i-creative midfielder. I've never seen this thing. Even the iconic midfielders e-South Africa ku-rare ukuthi ubona amagoli so for i-creative midfield. And then the West umuntu I think the record eli-West nabo bonke bafowethu ulokhu njani uGeorge Matlow. uGeorge Matlow uyi-creative midfielder for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuyo yonke leminyaka ayidlalile ku-professional setup uGeorge Matlow as a 27-year-old unama-assist awu-3 kuphela, right? And then una 0 goals, only 3 assists empilweni yakhe. Kudala wafika ku-professional football lo muntu lo futhi wadlala nase-Portugal the West part. Angimblame, angisho ukuthi uyi-bad player kwasho no, ngibheka nje, I'm judging him according to ama-record wakhe la ukuthi ama-assist wakhe awu-3 kuphela empilweni yakhe unama-assist awu-3 kuphela. Yeah, ziyakhala. I think that's like in 5 years umuntu unama-assist awu-3 kuphela as a creative midfielder, no goal. Ngiyazi ukuthi ibhola lanamhlanje it's sad because of babheka ama-assist isikhathi esiningi, babheka ama-goals ne-contribution yakho as umuntu o-creative, kujajwa ngaloko, but-ke izinto azikamhambeli kahle. And then this makes me wonder ukuthi uzo-contribute-ani for i-Kaizer Chiefs going forward, nanokuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibonani kuye, but bona bayazi ukuthi babonani because uGeorge Matlow sedlalile yena but sedlala ama-game lapho second half boma-late better than Ethan Cheslett, abangcono, way better than yena in terms of ama-assist nama-goals, way better. Uyocabanga way better phela u-Ethan Cheslett mohlanganisa amagoli wakhe nama-assist wakhe close to 60 goal contributions in 5 years, whereas uGeorge Matlow kuleyo 5 years leyo yena una only 3 assists, no goals. And then umuntu oClose-ke, one of the most successful players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, siyamazi o-versatile, udlala uyi-creative midfielder kahle kahle. Noma ngithi uyi-attacking midfielder ngisho kanjani ngoba bonke badlala position eyi-1, but kuyawazi uku-tracker back abe-central, bit of versatility, uLebohang Maboy. Yena uClose, yeah, is very close to Cheslett in terms of contribution yakhe, but-ke una 43 goal contributions laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns. I think into abamlethele wona ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-creativity yakhe ebaluleke kakhulu because of ku-stay sakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns ubonisile ngempela ukuthi u-creative. Imagine isquad besikhona laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but still naye he was fighting, he was there, he was fighting for isikhathi sakhe up until-ke obviously izinto za-change, but-ke ulwe kuMamelodi Sundowns ubona nawe ukuthi hayi kunzima kakhulu, but he was there fighting. The impact yakhe I mean noma sibamhambisa laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns but-ke une-impact enkulu kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns. Udlala ama-match over 183 for iMamelodi Sundowns, 20 goals, 23 assists. I-good solid stats like for like i-normally-ke le singasho ukuthi i-successful creative midfielder noma sithi attacking midfielder bafowethu. 40 overall, 43 goal contribution for iMamelodi Sundowns kule minyaka le ayidlalile kuMamelodi Sundowns. Before lapho i-contribution yakhe for iMaritzburg United benalo khunjani, bena-8 assist, 8 goals for iMaritzburg United. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi unayo leyo versatility yakhe, is not expected ukuthi ashaya amagoli but uyawashaya lapho nalapho. It's not expected ukuthi awashaya amagoli at all bafowethu, but-ke umuntu okwaziyo ukucontribute kakhulu ethimini whenever is given an opportunity to play, ukuthi bamdlalisa advance or bamdlalisa kuphi. But yeah, player super exciting, super talented. One of the most respected players in terms of his success yakhe, pedigree yakhe ku-continental level, kuboma Champions League, udlala Champions League kakhulu neMamelodi Sundowns for years bafowethu. Champions League-ke uyidlale for, I think for 8 years if angilenzi iphutha. Yeah, udlale for 8 years, yeah, for 8 years mangibheka. And then udlale ne-Africa Football League. Okay, we know about that cup competition ukuthi lenzelwa laphinde lanyamalala, but yeah, I wouldn't even put it, ngiliconsidere kakhulu ngikhulume ngalo, but yeah, umdlali one-experience enkulu bafowethu. Uye umdlali cabanga u-number 2 after uCheslett laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ama-contributions. Then abanye-ke nje bale phansi, but-ke ongaqhubeka lesiyakhule kancane uVilakazi because of naye senamagoli awu-11 for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Since afika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs unamagoli manje awu-11. It's not bad, he's still young, still coming through. He will get there, man, he will get there. But-ke elaka-Cheslett lingithusile irekhodi bafowethu, lihle kakhulu. Then ngifuna ukubheka amanye amarekhodi amanye amaplayer lana ku-Kaizer Chiefs esingakhuluma ngawo. Igataro esingakhuluma ngayo, asiye kuma-strikers laphana phambili, yeah. Sibone ukuthi lama-strikers we-Kaizer Chiefs angabenzelani. But engeke ngikhulume ngayo cause ngike ngakhuluma ngayo, uMorris for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu una-5 goals in 5 years. So ayikho-ke into engizoyikhuluma-ke mina ngoMorris, ayikho ngempela. Angimblame, angisho ukuthi uMorris kanjani, ngithi 5 goals in 5 years. That's just terrible as a strike. That's bad. But the coolest thing is that he keeps getting opportunities. I mean, ama-opportunities lo uyawathola, awahamba, awanyamalala ama-opportunities from yena. Kusho ukuthi nje umuntu onenhlanhla. But uke wawashaya amagoli dala kulokhu njani. I think ngizobheka ukuthi washaya amagoli awungakhi lapha kwa-Ajax Cape Town, but I think it was 9 goals. Khona la shaye khona 7 goals. I-biggest season yakhe ngathi 7 goals. So yeah, kusumdlali engingakhuluma ngaye kakhulu because yeah man, akanale record eli-right. Then uIgataro yena-ke cause ku-Kaizer Chiefs umfethu ukorile laphana ku-continental level, kusho ukuthi ku-Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase-South Africa bafethu unalo, is it how many goals ngiyayikhumbula man, ebholeni lase-South Africa una-25 goals, bekana-25 goals in 97 games. So kusho ukuthi njengoba sedlalile Kaizer Chiefs, udlale imatch wadlala nenye, I think udlale 2 games for i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-local football, then kune-continental level futhi. So sekadlala ama-matches awu-99 ku-South African game, but una-26 goals. Yeah, una-25 goals man ku-South African game, yes, 25 goals, then masibala nila ku-continental level, then 26 goals. So it's not a bad record for umdlali. It's actually a good record considering the fact that bekaya kuma-teams are different. Omunye, I think abanye singababali laba sebane-experience enkulu kakhulu ku-professional setup bafethu, ukuthi badlale for iminyaka esikhathi eside. Lese abantu abadlale over 5 years, aboDuba banaso isikhathi, but-ke abakabi nale experience le serious, to be fair. So it would be unfair ukuthi sibacompare nabantu abadlale boma 8 years, 10 years abanye, no. So we can't expect much from them, but they can keep learning and try to get better and greater ukuya phambili. So asingeneni kulokhu njani uSilva bafethu unerekhodi elihle kakhulu already kwi-South African football uqeda ukufikela umfethu laphana ubhethwe Premiership udlala ama-match awu-5 already una-5 goal na-4 goals. 4 goals in 5 games, that's impressive. That's very impressive. I-striker lesesibheke ukuthi singakwazi ukulida laphana i-front line ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Umdlalo udlale kuma-teams a-different amaningi ekudala ezama inhlanhla naye ulokho. Kunjani uSilva bafethu ama-team angaka wadlalele? Yo, more than 10 teams. But yeah, as a proven goal scorer izinto zakhe zatshintsha. Ama-fortunes wakhe watshintsha kakhulu laphana me-Indonesia bafethu. E-Indonesia ufike washaya amagoli serious. Ulaziprove khona i-Kaizer Chiefs imthathe khona yabona i-potential kumuntu kuye laphana umfowethu ukuthi angawashaya amagoli. Because maswabheka amagoli wakhe uSilva, the most successful, I'll just get to the most successful season yakhe. It was 2023-2024 laphana e-Indonesia bafethu lashaye khona amagoli awu-23 in 29 games plus na 4 assists. And then the following season washaya amagoli awu-9 na 2 assists in lokhu njani in 33 games. But uma uhlanganisa irekhodi lakhe lihle kakhulu laphana e-Indonesia bafethu. In 2 years le ayidlale e-Indonesia. In fact in-Indonesia udlale 3 years. But unerekhodi elihle kakhulu because of masibheka e-Indonesia ushaye over 43, ushaye 39 goals. Yes, it is 39 goals ayishayile e-Indonesia. Nama-assist empilweni yakhe masibheka ama-assist wakhe awu-17 namagoli wakhe nje sewashayile bafethu awu-56 in 181 matches. That's not a bad record. It means that ukora around every 3 games or so uyakwazi ukushaya igoli according to i-record lakhe on average. Akabi ku-drought njengabanye abantu ayi-strike ezikushayela 2 goals a season nakhona ama-penalty. So umuntu obalekile o-right kakhulu laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyabona ukuthi uzoba one of the leaders in terms of ukushaya amagoli futhi experience yakhe ukuthi udlalile na-international lapha nePortugal. Funny enough bedlalela iPortugal lo muntu lo iGuinea bedlala iPortugal national team but-ke wase-Guinea Bissau la manje adlala khona manje bafethu ukuthi une-dual citizenship. Uyakwazi ukurepresent iPortugal, uyakwazi ukurepresent iGuinea Bissau. Then manje ku-senior team bafethu because there's no chance ukuthi ePortugal bamselect sebuyele kwela kubo eGuinea Bissau and baqalile ukumselecta njengoba bamselectile manje njengoba i-hot property ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, he's a good solid guy in terms of ama-goals nerekhodi lakhe lihle kakhulu. Singeneni ku-Du Preez. uDu Preez bafethu siyazi ukuthi futhi couple of days, a week ago, so hey, yeah, sibonile, but we won't dive deep into that. Amaphutha ayenzeka. uDu Preez igoli lakhe ama-goal record wakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs awekho mahle bafethu, to be honest. But masawubheka i-record lakhe overall uyabona ukuthi okay, in fact it's not that hectic ku-Kaizer Chiefs because it's not like he plays every game. He's expected to contribute every game. No, akadlali every game. Kwesinye isikhathi esiningi nje umbona laphana aphuma adlala kuboma second half angena late azocontributor hayi ukuthi uhlezi ekhona uhlezi present laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs na. But-ke nale record lakhe umfethu over all games ayidlalile ku-Kaizer Chiefs udlala amagame awu-91 una-19 goals 9 assists. So it's like it's not a bad record molbheka considering ukuthi akadlala ama-match amaningi. But-ke masongena kulo phakathi i-record uyabona ukuthi in fact it's a terrible record cause isizini uDu Preez ku-Kaizer Chiefs the most successful season yakhe ile yaqeda ukufika ku-Kaizer Chiefs washaya 6 goals. That's the highest number of goals ake ayishaya for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu kulokhu njani kubhethwe Premiership 6 goals. 6 goals ngesizini eyodwa. Adlala ama-match awu-25. That was 2022-2023 season. 6 goals. Then the following season still Kaizer Chiefs iyamthanda yakholelwa kuyena bafethu laphana elikini. Guess what? The following season 2023-2024 wadlala amagame awu-23 washaya 4 goals. Tell me if this is a good record. And then last season uDu Preez udlala amagame kubhethwe ngisabaleliki nje kuphela kubhethwe Premiership udlala amagame awu-21 washaya 2 goals. Yeah, yilo-ke irekhodi lakaDu Preez leli bafethu. This season kuBetway Premiership sedlale already ama-match awu-4 akakashaya igoli une-assist eyodwa kuphela. But let's go back kwamanye ama-competition la namagoli angcono. Ku-MTN 8 naku-Nedbank Cup bafowethu kule season ngithi washaya amagoli kangcono for i-Kaizer Chiefs, 2 goals. So yeah, record la mfowethu alikho that great. But-ke masibala ama-match awadlalile umfowethu udlala ama-match awu-138 between i-Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch, ushaye 24 goals. It's not bad when you look at when you check that record close ukuthi okay in a bit of versatility bangambeka nasesayidini, but-ke as a central striker, nah, that's a terrible record because of Ighodaro naye i-record like njengoba bengishilo ukuthi udlala ama-match awu-99 unamagoli awu-25. Yeah, it's not a u-Ighodaro play elisha elidlalela ama-team amaningi line-better record than yena, so that's kusho ukuthi they will consider other guys than yena because of those guys have a slight better record compared to him, uDuplessis. Yabo? So asingeneni kuKhanyisa Mayo, the versatile center forward okwaziyo ukudlala nakuma-different positions. Siyamazi ukuthi u-hungry for goals nokuthi aziprove laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi-ke ebe number 1, but yeah, it's very difficult ukuthi udlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyalazi ibhola, but-ke the noise and the pressure from outside, sometimes it gets to you and kuba nzima-ke when things get to you ngaleyo ndlela. But-ke kumele he must forget the noise, the outside noise, afocus egamini yakhe nje kuphela. Siyazi ukuthi uphazamiswe i-injury elikini already, besedlala ama-game awu-3 ashaya igoli elilodwa for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, even ku-calling knockout la i-Kaizer Chiefs ishawa khona kuma-penalty bekhona umfowethu. So I think ama-coaches abonile ukuthi angakwazi ukudlala ukumodela igame ye-Kaizer Chiefs around yena, ukuthi nje inhlanhla yamalokhunjani yamagoli siyazi ukuthi naye waphazamisa uModi ngabe unegoli elamnika i-confidence, but-ke walithinta lela bhola lela, so we just have to see maybe, but he's close to coming back by the way, because I saw him ejima laphana. Izwa-ke i-record lakho ukuthi lihle kanjani umfethu for ku-Cape Town City lama-team amaningi bamfuna khona. Ku-Cape Town City i-stay sakhe laphana udlalile for a couple of years, we know udlale ama-matches awu-93 ushaye 29 goals plus 6 assists, kusho ukuthi-ke 35 goals contribution for i-team eyodwa. But-ke kula aduma khona, kula azi-announcer khona, but udlale nako-Richards Bay nako-Richards Bay, udlale nawo-Ubuntu, udlale naku-Royal Eagles. By the way, i-Royal Eagles i-Royal AM ile kaMamkhize, but before bathenga i-Royal Eagles bathenga i-Royal AM or bebayirana mani i-Royal Eagles, kwaba khona for isikhashana khona zangalast Ubuntu bezama lapho nalapho, but i-Cape Town City yiyo yam-introduce kahle. I-record lakhe-ke lalaphana e-North Africa last season, it was not good because udlale 41 matches washaya 6 goals and 1 assist. But uma ngikhuluma ngale record lakhe isikhathi esiningi ngiyasho ukuthi abantu ba-understand ukuthi ngithini, bayizwe lento engisho ukuthi lapho inkinga yalapho ukuthi ba-too defensive. So when people are too defensive kusho ukuthi nawe ngeke washaya ama-goals because of kumele ufocus engimakeni isikhathi esiningi. I remember ngibukele le match le ye-CR yakhona lapha, I'm seeing him yedwa laphana phambili, ngiyasho ukuthi no ways. Bapha abanye abantu bafocus just ekudefendeni ku-continental level, then ngeke abonakale-ke uMayo. But ku-Betway Premiership is a proven scorer because of laphana ku-Cape Town City khona i-season la shaya khona 12 goals, khona i-season la shaya khona 10 goals. So umuntu ngempela okwaziyo ukuyisiza i-team, menikwe ama-resources a-right ukuthi aperforme bafowethu. So yeah, yibo abantu be-Kaizer Chiefs laba bafowethu ababhekiwe ngempela ukuthi okay they can change and shape izinto. But-ke nomunye une-pedigree engconywana in terms of ama-assist nama-goals odlala laphana phambili bafowethu uGustin Sereni. Gustin Sereni is very important for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Angacontribute nanoma yiphi i-team ayidlalelayo because siyamazi udlala i-attacking midfield, uyakwazi ukuba i-number 10, uyakwazi ukuba i-winger both sides, uyakwazi ukuba la kudlala khona uModi Lilepo, uyakwazi ukuba nje both side because super creative. Isikhathi esiningi-ke abanye abantu bafila ngathi isikhathi esiningi akaphasi, ufuna ukudlalela yena yedwa. So ama-fans anokuthi ayi u-right ahlale ebhentshini but siyamazi mefuna ukudlala uSirino bafethu uyafuna ukudlala and-ke once wafuna ukudlala uyakwazi ukudiliva yabo, udiliva kahle futhi hhayi indaba yokudlala, so deliver kahle. So far this season-ke isikhathi esiningi ungena second half even naku-Continental level because laphana ku-AS Simba, kule match ye-AS Simba akadlalanga, simbone nje engena laphana second, was it no azange angene laphana eCongo, no ngikhumbula kahle azange angene, wangena ku-second leg la sebalida khona ngamagoli awu-3, wanikwa-ke i-opportunity yokuthi adlale. Yeah, unokuba khona esquadini thola ukuthi akadlali, uyangena as i-substitute. So yeah, uyi-player super talented bafowethu, cause imagine lo muntu akusi-striker but i-record lakhe lihle kakhulu bafowethu. For iMamelodi Sundowns ushaye 41 goals una-44 assists. What a contribution for iMamelodi Sundowns mfowethu. Siyazi ukuthi udlale for iminyaka kuMamelodi Sundowns, but guess what, he's one of the most creative players ake adlala laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns in terms of like number 10 ne-contribution yakhe. Amagoli awashayile maningi kakhulu bafethu for iMamelodi Sundowns, washayile umfethu akadlalanga amagoli angaka. Usho ukuthi season is guaranteed ukuthi uzokunika amagoli lo muntu lo, hhayi indaba yokudlala. For sure you can count on him ukuthi this one will come with goals. Cause masibheka irecord lakhe ubhethwe Premiership ushaye amagoli awu-18 nama-assist awu-30. Ku-Champions League ushaya amagoli awu-10 for iMamelodi Sundowns na-11 assist. Ku-Nedbank Cup nakhona unama-goals, nalena ku-South America i-contribution yakhe right. So but ku-Kaizer Chiefs so far ku-Kaizer Chiefs unamagoli awu-5 nama-assist awu-8. I'm sure abantu abaningi abanawo lama-stats lawo, even waku-Kaizer Chiefs, abaku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana since afikile mawungabaqhathanisa ama-stats wakhe ayamkhulumela bafowethu, ama-stats wakhe a-right kakhulu. But kulele kuye bafowethu ukuthi aphe igame yakhe because of uyazi ukuthi abantu bayamthanda, bayamfavor, but unenhliziyo encane kakhulu, too reactive. Maybe izinto kumele asebenze kuzo ukuthi bakwazi ukusebenzisana ne-team, not as ama-enemies but like ukubambisana ukuthi i-team iye phambili, because of you can't have your own individual attitude ngapha, kumele i-team nidlale as i-team nokusizana nje as i-team. But if umuntu ubheke iside lakhe nje kuphela, usibanibani ubheke lakhe nomunye ubheke lakhe, ayisizi leyo nto i-team. So kumele badlale as i-unity, as one, naye akwazi ukuthi angahold ibhola kakhulu, akwazi ukuli-distribute noma aphasele abanye abadlali bafethu. It's very important nabanye abadlali ukuthi abadlalise because they will feel somehow. There are times la Augustine Sirina abangamqalisa khona but we don't know why angaqali, but at the same time uKaizer Chiefs siyamazi ukuthi ube ney'nkinga zakhe in terms of like ama-discipline, zonke nje lezo zinto lezo. But manje songena kuLilepo, i-contribution yakhe nanokuthi ucontribute kangakanani kuKaizer Chiefs nakwamanye ama-team bewadlalela, sibheke nje i-record lakhe ukuthi lona likanjani for uLilepo. Is one of the most exciting players. Mengafunda uLilepo una 28, if aka-improve phela igame yakhe kwamanye ama-situations then inkinga enkulu. So far kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu, since afikile kuKaizer Chiefs ama-contributions wakhe unamagoli kuKaizer Chiefs elikini kuphela, mangibala nje iligi unamagoli awu-7 une-assist eyodwa elikini since afika kuKaizer Chiefs. But because of kune-drought eningi kuKaizer Chiefs kubonakala ngathi une-contribution e-serious for iKaizer Chiefs, kanti no, akanayo i-contribution e-serious masibala ama-numbers, because this season kubhethwe Premiership usakore only 1 goal, and then last season ushaye 6 goals in 15 games. So this season elikini mangashaya 12 goals at least because of uzobe edlala amagame amaningi, let's say over 10 goals. But kufike nje washisa kuKaizer Chiefs washaya amagoli awu-16 in 15 matches laphana, because ufike ngoJanuwari waba nane-assist. Before lapho bedlalela ko-France, i-record lakhe man alikho that strong, but-ke yena as umdlalo strong onga-counter around yena, ongambala ukuthi hhayi lo angakwazi ukuyisiza i-team going forward ne-contribution yakhe. But yeah, ku-Kaizer Chiefs so far unamagoli awu-9 ne-assist eyodwa, udlala amagemu awu-33. Yeah, udlalile nakwamanye ama-teams, maningi kakhulu ama-team adlale, well awekho maningi, awu-4 in fact. Udlala eFrance, wadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, wadlala le team le I think ngiyayikhumbula manje idlala neMamelodi Sundowns, ngimbona for the first time, was it team yase-Ethiopia? I think yase-Ethiopia if angilenzi iphutha bafethu. But yeah, nayo Lilebhu be-expected ukuthi akwazi inspire i-team, i-Chiefs to greater heights. Ukwenzile last season aqeda ukuwufikela, but-ke manje i-Kaizer Chiefs they would need more from him, they would need more for yena ukuthi aphushe, and then adlale no akusiyo yase-Ethiopia bafethu, yase-Sudan i-team yakhona le bekayidlalela. Why ngithi Ethiopia? Ayafana nala magama wama-teams walena man, once kwaba nesi-Arab or ini avele afana namagama. Yeah, i-team yase-Sudan, one of the biggest teams lapha ne-Sudan. Cela ukuyibamba la bafethu, yiwo ama-contribution wabadlali baku-Kaizer Chiefs aba-expected ukuthi bayisize i-team, i-Kaizer Chiefs going forward, nanokuthi ba-contribute. If i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba ne-successful season, yibo abadlali okumele baphakame noma ngithi basukume bafethu, ba-contribute kakhulu for i-team, bayilwele i-team, ba-make sure ukuthi i-team is on top. Yibo abadlali i-Kaizer Chiefs ezobe ibheke kubona laba engibabalile. Ngayivala kanjani uPule Modi kungangenanga ku-record lakhe? Sisibheke i-record lakaPule Modi. This season already elikini udlala ama-match awu-9 for i-Kaizer Chiefs, 0 goals 1 assist, une-yellow card. But I wanna track ilokhu njani, I wanna check i-record lakhe lonke bafethu, lonke record since aqalile laphana ku-professional setup ukudlala, ukuthi ubuyaphi, udlale leyiphi i-team, contribute kangakanani for i-team. But yeah, I think I only count, ngizokhuluma ngama-teams awu-2 esimbone kuwa ku-Betway Premiership, because of before lapho bedlalela ama-teams akuma-lower ranks, so I can't really count those teams kuma-lower ranks ngithi i-contribution yakhe important kulawo ma-team lawo. Na khuluma nge-record la ku-Betway Premiership kuphela. So ku-Betway Premiership udlala ama-matches awu-138 bafethu, unamagoli awu-20 nama-assist awu-11 kuphela for i-Kaizer Chiefs, na-for yini le team bayidlalela, i-Golden Arrows. Yes, Golden Arrows le team le bekayidlalela. So last season, isizini yonke 2024-2025 azange ashaye negoli elilodwa ku-elikini. Ngikhuluma nge-league, yes, ngikhuluma nge-league. Before abantu bathi hey ku-Nedbank Cup simbonile ucontribute-ile. I think ku-Nedbank Cup ukwazile ukushaya 4 goals in 5 games ku-Nedbank Cup. That is why wakwazi ukuwina i-player of the tournament laphana, yeah, ku-Nedbank Cup, because ku-Nedbank Cup kuyobasizile ngempela ngama-goals for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi baloke ba-advance to the next stage of the competition, but elikini akacontributanga lutho. The most successful season yakhe uModi ku-professional setup eSouth Africa or ku-Betway Premiership beka ku-Golden Arrows 2022-2023 season, wadlala ama-match awu-29, washaya amagoli awu-6 nama-assist awu-3. So the most successful season yakhe ushaya amagoli awu-6, and then season before lapho same Golden Arrows 5 goals. Season before kusho ukuthi in 3 years ku-Golden Arrows bafethu elikini kuphela mangibalile ushaye 16 goals in 3 years ku-Golden Arrows kuphela, yiyo 16 goals. And uma ubheka ukuthi ama-matches awadlalile elikini, udlale ama-matches I think awu-80 something. Yes, mangiwabheka awu-80 something ama-match awadlalile. That's a poor, well, but uyi-winger, I can't falter him too much, but I needed ama-assist more kulama game awadlalile, cause of elikini nje kuphela unamagame ayi-138, ushaye 20 goals for i-Kaizer Chiefs nelokhunjana ne-Golden Arrows, unama-assist awu-11 nje kuphela. And then ku-Nedbank Cup kulashaye khona amagoli-ke awu-4 in 5 games last season asisize i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, other than lokho I don't see anything lutho like I-contribute-ile tangible for i-team, but ngicela ukuyibamba la bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe making sure ukuthi le page sesiyayivala-ke manje ngeke sisabuyele emuva cause in the team le ku-Golden Arrows. I mean, if Golden Arrows uzokora 16 goals in 92 games, that's not bad. 16 goals as a wing. But Golden Arrows, he was playing more as a number 10. Yes, he was playing more as a number 10. It was different compared to how he plays with Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu. Ayasivaleni manje ngeke.